Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I obtained this cute hairstyle, a high braided ponytail. I will be linking all the products I use in the description box. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave them down below. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching guys. I really appreciate it.
What I'm firstly going to do is section off the piece of hair that I will be using for my bangs. I'm spraying water on my hair now, then I will be detangling it so that it can become as smooth and as sleek as possible. I am now applying a generous amount of Moroccan argan oil on my hair. I am applying easy wave curling gel to the back section of my hair to ensure that it becomes as sleek as possible. To help my hair become as sleek as possible, I will be applying VIDA molding gel. Then I will brush my hair and make a ponytail. I'm detangling the top section of my ponytail, then I will be adding the braiding hair. If you want to see how I add braiding to my hair, I will link a video in the description box. I will start braiding the braid now. As I come to the end of the braid, I will start adding some beads. I will now be adding a piece of braiding hair to the top section of the braid. Thereafter, I will start applying some hair accessories. I will be using VIDA molding gel to do my edges. Now I will be using my BABYLISS ceramic to curl my bangs. I'm gonna tie the silk scarf on my head now just to make my bangs lie a little bit flat. And here's the final look, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.